Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll to find the apps. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and here 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you what it will do. So it will reset disabled apps and notifications, default apps and background data restrictions for apps. What is more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.